overdose. This ain't Madden, this ain't 2K. If you gon' run game, you gon' have to scream another name. You said you wanted to see me, I be tryna keep it low-key. In a private jet, make it easy. I pull up in that Lamborghini. Let's go. I know you want me, you know I really want you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So once again, I'm bringing you another wig review, and this wig is from LWIG.com. They sent me their 360 curly hair. It's touching the hair. I realized the hair was very soft, and the wig came with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also was pre-plucked. I really do love hair that is pre-plucked, so I didn't do too much work to the hairline, and it also had enough padding space, if you know what I mean. Like, I didn't really do tweezing and all that to get my padding space, so I really love that about the wig. So right now I'm cutting the lace. It really took me a long time to do this on camera because I'm not really used to doing this on camera. So yep. Now I'm applying my yellow got to be glued on my hairline to give my wig a good hold. So I have a tutorial on how I apply my lace frontal wigs. So if you're interested in seeing it, I'm going to leave the link in the info section so you can go check it out. So guys, the wig actually came with a baby hair, but I had to cut and recreate the baby hair to suit my hairline. So that is exactly what I'm doing, and I actually love this hair. What I did to the hair was, what I did to define the curls was I added water to my leave-in conditioner, and then I sprayed it on the hair to give the curls more defined. And whilst I was styling this hair, I didn't experience any shedding and no tangling at all. I really do love the hair, and I'll be giving you updates on this hair pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. But the hair is beautiful, it's very silky, it's soft, and so yeah guys, I really did love the hair. And so if you're interested in getting this hair, I will be leaving all the links to the hair in the info section. You can go check it out. Alright guys, so thank you so much. I'm going to end my speech here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay blessed.